Welcome, episode 114. We're social distancing.
Team for 114, man.
We're social distancing for 114.
Yes.
And as Chris said, we are a team again.
Yeah, we're together again.
Yeah, one frame, two people. Thumbs up. I like it. So what do we got tonight, Chris?
We've got some ramps set up outside of my yard here. We've got the UDR, the Maxx, and the Slash with some new Proline arms. I'm gonna throw those on.
Yeah, we're gonna test them and we're gonna put them through its paces because it's
break them.
Yeah, it's got to be RC Deebs approved for us to say is good to go.
Exactly.
So there we go. Well, let's get right into it, Deebs. Let's go send some trucks, buddy.
Let's do it. Oh man. Clears it, no issue.
But I don't have to get the best angle.
Beauty. We ended up breaking the chassis right in half.
Yep. Sweet flips. Oh, Fred. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. We have the old Traxxas Slash out. It does say SCT 410.3, but it really isn't. We have the front A-arms installed from Proline. As you can see, they have some white paint we've been testing out. The rears are on. The fronts definitely fit quite a bit better than the rears do. There's still a leaf in here. But the rears definitely have a big gap in them. So it's a little bit different. They're still pretty tight, but I will say we've beat the tar out of them so far. I mean, it's just two-wheel flash. Hit the jump, missed the jump, hit the other landing jump a couple times, and they're still holding up. So let's do some testing. Well, and there you have it.
That's it.
That's it. That's all.
A day full of sendage.
And you can see the Slash got an extra long chassis.
Yes.
So we do approve the Proline A-arms. They're pretty tough.
Yep, very tough.
They're Traxxas chassis snapped in half approved. There we go. So thank you so much for tuning in to episode 114 of the Ultra RC Hobby Show.
Yep.
Hopefully we can catch you guys sooner than later.
Yeah.
But don't forget to check us out on our social media pages. He is RC Deep, so check him out on Snapchat. Oh, not Snapchat.
No, it's
I always
not.
say Snapchat, but it's Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook.
Yep.
Sorry about that. And don't forget to check out the store at www.ultrarchobbies.com.
Yep.
Don't forget to check us out on our Instagram, Facebook, as well as all of our other social media platforms, including Snapchat. See, we're on Snapchat, but he's not. So
Yes.
thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.